registered patent of.
May I come
Sir,
in, sir?
please come. Namaskar. Please sit down. How are you?
Thank you, sir. I am
Right.
good, sir.
So, you first of all, we congratulate you for qualifying in the mains, and we are going to appear for the final, that is Viva. We hope that you qualify this time.
Thank you, sir.
Now, is it your first attempt or
This is my second mains and first interview.
second mains?
Yes, sir.
In the earlier mains, what was the problem?
I was lagged by 11 marks from the cutoff.
Oh, only 11 marks.
Yes.
Okay. So this time you are confident?
Probability is there, sir.
How are you preparing for your Viva? How are you preparing for your Viva?
How old, sir?
How are you preparing? How are you preparing for your Viva?
Sir, I am preparing from my CIF, what I have failed, and from my natives to which I belong, and the working place in which I am working, and rest of my hobbies and my special achievements.
Okay. So are you taking any coaching or any practice for your Viva boss?
No, sir, I am a working veterinary surgeon.
Or you're working? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So before we proceed, can you introduce yourself to us briefly?
Sir, I am Archana Sarangi. I am working as a veterinary assistant surgeon in mobile veterinary unit at Kunta Moyurganj, and I have qualified my PhD from ICR National Dairy Research Institute.
You've done your PhD?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
From Karnal, Haryana in 2019 in animal physiology. Then I have registered a patent on the name of pregnancy diagnosis kit.
Oh, you got a patent your name?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And I have also commercialized a technology in the name of pregnancy PregD kit, which is duly appreciated by the government of India, and also in a collaboration with the ICR. Further, I have represented India as a young scientist in International Society of Animal Hygiene at Thailand in 2024, and then also I was felicitated by the ICR as a best team award for that kit that I am part in, and also I have also rewarded by the best veterinary MBBS recently by the government of Odisha.
Very good. Congratulations for all your achievements.
Thank you, sir.
Can you tell us how did you proceed with the patent?
Okay, sir. The patent which I have, we have registered because it's a team effort. So we have registered through the.
How many veterinary surgeons have joined?
Sir, I am the only veterinary surgeon. Rest are my team, like my major guide and my minor guide in PhD, and also a SRF fellow that madam was working with me. So, and also the director of the CIRP in which I was working lab, and also a member from the NDRA, from
Good.
where I have received the degree.
How did you proceed?
So we have to we have to prepare the sampling data, and we have to fill up the form at the IPR intellectual property right, and then we have to pay a certain amount for the registration fees, and that was bear by our institute. So then further they have the 3 stage of querying questions, and also they require the heavy amount of the data at the field level. So that sampling I was majorly done at my Moyurganj place where I was working. So in this process we have registered.
So does it bring any benefit to you?
So through that patent.
Any benefit? Any return to you?
Yes, sir. I have received that certificate of patent.
That's all. Any financial benefit?
No, sir, because I was the student, and that all the expenses beared by the institution.
No, when a patent is done by somebody,
yes.
Does that person get any benefit from any source?
Sir, I am not receiving any economical benefit because the MOU is signed between the CIRP, ICR, and the second party was the ICR itself, and the company who has taken over that patent right.
Okay, so you are established as a vet, as they call it, veterinary surgeon or whatever, expert. So why do you want to waste your time in a administrative job in civil service?
So I don't think it's a waste of time because I can put my expertise and potential in the civil service. Currently, I'm working in a particular sector upliftment program. So in this way, I can diverse my expertise and potential to the different sector of the society like education, women empowerment, poverty, and all the skill upgradation program which is running by the government.
So all these things are not possible if you pursue your own line of expertise. It's not possible.
Unfortunately, so sorry, because I am already restricted to only the animal husbandry sector only, in which post I am working currently.
Okay, in a developed country like USA or Europe or such places, would a person of your background give up veterinary science and join civil service?
No, sir, it's a personal call, I think. So my keen area of interest was doing both by contributing both the field along with my expertise of research.
Okay, good. So suppose you join your first preference is OS.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose you join OS and you become a civil servant or administrative officer and go up in the ladder. Then you are supposed to provide good governance to people. Now, can you tell us what is good governance?
So good governance has certain criteria through which you have to meet, you have to develop the human capital index actually. The criteria is that the responsive government should be responsive, should be transparent, it has to be accountable, it has to be rule of law, and also the rule of law, transparent. So this much.
Okay, who is giving these criteria?
So UNDP.
Okay, UN, not DP. UN. Okay. Now tell me, why honesty is vital for a civil servant?
So honesty is like a mirror through which you can look yourself through that mirror, and honesty belongs to the moral and the values you perceived. So honesty is the key. I think the key of the civil servant.
So it's a personal choice.
Sir, it's
By look at the mirror, you find you honest or not.
not like that, sir. In a manner, the value and ethics you belong later on so will be showcasing through the honesty you follow.
Why the society wants honesty in a civil servant?
Because there are so many chances to lose your honesty because of the greatness and the facility you get or the power or responsibility you get after joining the service. So in that position, there may be a chance of losing your own morality. So in that pressure, if your honesty has the key to if you are honest person, then you can easily sail through all the challenges in a balanced manner. So that's why the honesty is required for the
Okay,
actual
in
real
your
development
okay,
process.
good. In your department, is there any chance of possibility of corruption or misuse of huge government money? Is there a chance?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which way?
Sir, because I am working in a already public service through which government is already providing certain schemes to uplift the farmer of the society by providing subsidies in different schemes. So during that subsidy process, the installment process or the verification process, a veterinary surgeon is required to certify that program or that level of work the farmer has done by receiving that subsidy. So there may be a chance of corruption in that case.
Are you aware of a huge scam and a scandal which took place in this department in a different state in India?
Sir,
Very famous case.
Sir, veterinary department.
But animal husbandry department. It is so much publicized that anybody
Somebody was also
would
jailed.
know.
Sir, the fodder scheme by
Fodder?
fodder scam by the Lalu Prasad.
Yes, yes. Do you know what happened? Because everybody should know how a department promoted, not did, but promoted corruption.
I'm sorry.
Okay,
sir.
okay, fine, doesn't matter. Now, do you keep in touch with the current events around the country or around the world?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so our Prime Minister has gone to some place.
Yes, sir.
Which place and why he has gone?
So he has gone for Tianjin, China to attend the 25th SEO Summit,
What is SEO?
Shanghai Corporation Organization.
But this is a Chinese thing. Why should India join? Why should India go there?
So it's a regional corporation. There are already different members from different countries, and it's an opportunity for the China to host that event.
India and China fought at the border
Yes, sir.
at some place. Do you know the place where they fought?
Yes, Galwan Valley.
Then India and China are fighting, but why Prime Minister is going to China and trying to shake hands with them?
Sir, we are dreaming for Viksit Bharat by 2047. And the current scenario of the international events, what is going on, the domination of the dollar. So to reduce the domination, we have to enrich our self-reliance or the self-dependent. Along with we have to focus on the different export country other than the US, and by creating that friendship or the regional cooperation or the bilateral events, we can all export not only depend only the single country or depend only on dollar, rather we can all export with other countries and create our friendship. Sir, in this international relation, nobody is permanent friend and nobody is permanent enemy.
Okay, but can you tell us what are the immediate cause why India and China started becoming friends, or India tried to become friends with China? What is the immediate cause?
Sir, because the tariff trade war is going between the US and the India, probably that may be a cause.
Okay, thank you.
So, which are the SEO members? Which countries?
Sir, India, China, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Japan.
Japan.
Russia, and so this much.
Pakistan.
Yes, Pakistan is a member.
Turkey.
So,
What is BRICS?
BRICS is the collaboration of the Brazil,
Which
Russia.
are the BRICS nations?
Yes, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, and currently they have another 5 members like Indonesia, Iran, UAE, and some Malaysia.
So, this actually the patent you have mentioned, you have already filed or you already granted?
So it's granted.
Granted.
Yes.
That certification you have got.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
That blue-
Proper certification.
That blue color, that,
Yes, yes.
that you have got that certificate.
Yes.
Patent. So nowadays, for these milk products, a free trade agreement between India and USA. It was actually, that means two sectors. Our government is saying no, will not compromise. One is agricultural sector, and another actually this animal products, food, mostly milk
Processed.
products.
Yes.
Why?
Sir, because first of all we belong to a rural country where the major contribution, that is 60% GDP, is contributed by the agriculture itself, and also so many lakhs of farmers are belong to that particular field for their livelihood. So the export definitely give them a boost to focus and enrich their particular field or the product. So in that case, I think we have to promote our farmer and their livelihood to this.
They promote your farmer, and also that means in what aspect, which part? Which
Sir, production part.
there is something actually. So why then actually they are objecting to this milk products?
Sorry, sir.
They are saying non-veg milk. What is the non-veg milk? Indians are actually veg milk. Why is that non-veg milk?
So because of that gelatin addition, adult gelatin was the part of the processing of the product. The gelatin is derived from the bone of the animals.
And also this actually blood of this actual pig, they are also killing, and also
Lot
powder,
of pig there.
they are also feeding.
Blood means.
Yeah.
Okay.
In our society, ours that actually this is pure veg.
Yes.
We worship and also all these things.
Yes.
That is another thing. And also the seed for the agriculture sector.
I'll look into it.
That is there actually. Nowadays, recently, the Supreme Court judgment about the stray dogs, all these things. What is that evidence that has happened? You are a veterinary surgeon, is not it?
Yes. So there are huge mainland by the stray dogs like biting innocent human beings, and also there is a huge case of rabies. Like in each hour we are three rabbit patient is creating. So to reduce that incidence and also the birth control of the stray dog, the Supreme Court has published a statement that we have to vaccinate the stray dog and also sterilize them and then allow them to release.
Same locality.
Or not the same locality. It can they have the centers on minimum cases and maximum they will release after the sterilization process.
But if you go to European and American countries, actually you not. They are all having a pet. A dog or cat or both they are having.
Yes.
But not on the street. Why we find dogs, cows, ox, everything on the street? Also in homes also you see.
Yes. Sir.
What is the policy?
Sir,
What should we, that means what should the policy actually?
Sir, we have the lack of goshala or the shelter house first of all. The population we have in respect to that we don't have that kind of goshala and infrastructure related to shelter house of all animals like dogs and so and also the farmer who are keeping the animals they are also not providing that good and ambience for the health safe or the housing of that animal. So animals are preferring the roads is the best and keep dry place to here and there.
What about the animal lovers?
Sir, animal lovers are loving the animal, that is correct, sir.
But
By doing the vaccination and sterilization, we can majorly reduce that the reason of behind the capturing the stray dogs.
no, but by vaccination, by vaccinating, you will leave it, that means on the street they will move. And how the street or all these things will be clean, how the cleanliness will be maintained, sanitary aspect.
So by sterilizing the animal, they cannot produce or the animal birth will be controlled.
Yeah.
So it's a slow growing process. Sir. We have to take that preliminary step to reduce the that whole population in future. So it's a slow growing process, but definitely it will give a positive result in future.
Yeah, that means number will be reduced because
Yes,
of this
the
relation. Number will be reduced.
Yes, sir.
But other things, as far as the cleanness, everything that is part
I
is
think that
concerned.
will be maintained by the municipal corporation.
And these dogs and like that, actually they will move freely.
Sir, it's not like that. They are also an animal having life. So we cannot kill the animal for in reason like euthanasia is the ban in our country, so we cannot euthanize any animal. So the better option is this like vaccinate, neutral, sterilize.
What you suggest? In addition to that, keep the street everything clean, neat and clean.
Sir, I will suggest that the hearing is good, that vaccination sterilization is must. Along with that, we have to maintain the huge number of the Goshala and the stray shelter house particularly, and by involving the veterinarians who and also the pet lovers who want to do the and also the participant allow the NGOs who will take care of those shelter house properly. So by doing that, I think we can reach a solution.
Sir, please tell me what is the sorghum poisoning in animals?
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me when the animals are taking lantana camera,
Yes.
what will happen to the physiology? And
So lantana camera is an invasive alien species, and the growth of the lantana camera is here and there by because our animals are not getting that proper amount of the nutrition. Sometimes they used to eat that lantern camera. The lantern camera, I think having that phytosin for that creating the photo, some chemical reaction. But what is that exactly? I am not able to recall right now.
should
Yes.
physiology, because here MSc physiology and PhD. Okay, I'll tell. Okay, then can you tell me some poison grasses after taking? Immediately within 6 and 7 hours, the animal will die. During grazing process, suppose suddenly they have taken.
So the English term I don't know, but I have heard about that Omari grasses.
No, Omari.
Sir, that is. I'm sorry. Sir.
Okay. Then you are working in Mayurbhanj.
Yes, sir.
So Mayurbhanj, there is a body in mutton
Yes, sir.
special.
Yes, it's
Okay.
famous for that.
So Mayurbhanj goats are famous.
Yes, sir. Black Bengal.
Achha. In Odisha, one goat species is going to get GI tag. GI tag it will get. Which breed it is?
Sir, Ganjam.
Yes, it is Ganjam.
Yes.
Okay. What is the speciality of that goat?
So I think the meat production and also the prolification rate is high in that Ganjam.
Very quick it is growing.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. You have taken sociology as your.
Many people are writing sociology.
Okay, you say you are PhD in animal husbandry and sociology. Good,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Can you tell me what are the some social taboos?
So some social taboos, what I have seen in the Mayurbhanj is also there. Like they have reared the animals, but they don't want the milk from the animals, and because they thought that milk ingestion of the milk is may cause the poison, and some that is also a social taboo of not allowing children to drink milk in some part of the tribes, and there is also a taboo like. So they usually do not go to the medical for the after they get cut by any fever or any immediate instances of medical illness. They first prefer to go to that superstitious practices like the local deity, and they use that water to get healed from the any medical illness. So I have seen those two.
In snake bite, in marriage, so many taboos are there.
Some marriages are there also that like child marriages are promoted in that area, but it is reducing currently. Right.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now, formal interview is over. Now you can ask us questions and also we'll give you feedback.
Thank you.
Question question.
So question I will definitely ask sir. So जो lantana camera विषय.
Lantana camera, actually it is the animals get blind, they will not see anything. Okay. Then similarly, another species you remember, andropover species. Andropover.
Okay.
Okay. Then this will causes diarrhea and blood stain also, and immediately within 6-7 hours the animal will die. Okay. Similarly, your sorghum poisoning, that is due to a chemical in sorghum, because dhurin.
Yes, sir. Dhurin.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I knew.
We will get all these questions.
Yes.
Okay, any more questions?
Sir, I want to ask a question like in this the sociology, they suggest me why you have taken the sociology instead of the career in veterinary science. So what should be my best answer?
You say I like sociology. Fine. I saw the subject, I interested me, I saw the books, I liked it, and it will be useful for my civil service. Positive, whatever you say positive. Any more questions?
Sir, what you have chosen from my
No, you have answered very well. Your communication is good, except some few points, but you can improve always. You do a lot of practice, But one point, you can slightly make it a louder voice. Both voice are communication. Are you nervous?
No, absolutely.
Is it a
not.
normal way of talking, or you are in the interview or talking low?
No, sir,
Normally in କଥା କହୁ ନା କମ୍ କହୁଛ ଏଠି?
sir, ଟିକେ no,
ନାଇଁ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. ଟିକେ ଶୁଣା ଯାଉନି ବେଳେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା.
it sounds as if you are not confident or you are nervous. So low voice କରୁଛ. ଡରିବାର କିଛି ନାହିଁ.
No, sir.
You are supposed to give your best.
Yes.
If your best is low voice, fine, but if it is not low voice, then be normal.
No, sir, I can.
Normal voice ଟା ଜାଣିପାରିବ ଆହୁରି ଭଲ ହବ, ଟିକେ ବଢିଯିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା, sir.
voice ର ଯୋଉ ଭଲ୍ୟୁମ୍ ଟା
Yes, sir.
ବଢିଯିବ ଆଉ ସବୁ ଠିକ ଅଛି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
Otherwise, you have done very well. You explain your professional work very well. But patent ବିଷୟରେ ପଚାରିବ. What is patent? Why should do a patent? Why India is not doing patent well? You see, India ର problem ହେଲା ଯେ research ବହୁତ low. You must say that.
Yes, sir.
We are among the lowest in the world, among the countries, among the
Yes.
promising countries. We are very low.
We are at
Developed
China is
14th
doing it,
position,
US is
yes.
too much well.
China,
No.
Singapore, Malaysia, all that gone up.
So
Sir,
patents are notified. So you say why patent is important for India?
Yes.
So the return from patent, तुम्हें कहलोनी. So patent, because patent is helping the economy. America. So patent. IPR हेगला, so they get return. So I don't know myself, but you have to convince. Patent रो financial benefit कौन?
Sir, I will ask.
Because entire USA is on patents. तो patent करिकर सारे पाउचंदी, income पाउचंदी.
Sir, you will financial benefit कौन मिलुଛି?
हाँ.
ସେଟା ସବୁ-
Financial benefit ଆମ institute को मिलुଛି.
ठीक है, हेला, just it is not. अच्छा, you say I don't get benefit, but the country gets it.
Yes, sir.
So say that really complete open answer. तो पाइलोनी. So there is
But
an
somebody
institute
is
problem.
getting.
Yes,
Kitchen
sir.
pouch na, to
My
institute
institute is getting.
getting means India.
It is wrong that institute is not sharing with you. America allowed to institute share with you. So first of all, you can say there's a flaw in the policy. Institute should share with the individual who has done the work. Number one. Number two, if institute gets it, India gets it somehow. So we should have more patents. It's a better answer.
Sir, more patent भी registered होची किंतु सेटा commercialize होनी इंडिया रे जोटा कि major
So it's a problem.
Yes, sir.
Policy is a problem. Entire USA running patents. They highly commercialize. Number of patents filed by India and other countries. You can just see a internet take them.
And the
It's very low.
process भी बहुत slow because it took had 6
So
to 7 years.
once you write these things,
Publish ହେଇଯିବ କିନ୍ତୁ
for
granting
granting
time
the
ଲାଗୁଛି.
board.
ଲେଖିଲା ମାନେ ତ ପଚାରିବେ patent
Yes,
ବିଷୟରେ.
yes,
Be prepared for patent. Good answer.
yes,
But make it even better.
yes, yes.
How can
Sir, जो
anything?
subject job preference ମୁଁ mention କରିଛି.
ଠିକ ଅଛି OS ଦେଇଛ ଠିକ ଅଛି.
Sir, ତାକୁ କିଛି link କରିକି
OS ଟା ତ ହବ naturally. OS is the premier service and I can play bigger role in OS. I like it. I can help Odisha, I can help society much more in OS. Fine, it's a good choice. Nobody will question why you have taken OS. If you don't take OS, then they ask you why you are not taking OS. Finance ଦେଇଛ, କାହିଁ finance ଦେଇଛ? But I am interested in financial.
Usually OFS ଏମିତି ଚାଲେ.
Okay.
They may ask, so I like OS because I am
Johnny-
a military officer, I can do a lot of good work for country and society and the state. Like this.